Includes one extra dual-mode virtual wall barrier device $50 value. Create an invisible barrier that keeps your Roomba robot vacuum out of specified areas or away from objects. Power lifting suction delivers 5x the air power for improved pickup performance. Use the iRobot Home app to schedule and monitor cleaning sessions. Compared to Roomba 600 Series and AeroVac System. Patented iAdapt 2.0 navigation with vSLAM technology allows the robot to map its surroundings to clean an entire level of your home, around objects, and under furniture. Automatically recharges and resumes as needed. Ideal for homes with pets. Premium 3-stage cleaning system cleans the dirt and pet hair you see and the allergens and dust you don't. Dual multi-surface rubber brushes adjust and flex to stay in constant contact with carpets and hard floors. High-efficiency filter traps 99% of cat and dog allergens.